In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get volume on Pump.fun. The first thing to understand is what people usually mean when they talk about getting volume on Pump.fun. In many cases, they are referring to the use of automated tools, often called volume bots or bundlers. These tools are designed to create trading activity around a meme coin by moving SOL across multiple wallets and triggering repeated buy and sell transactions. The goal is to make the chart look active and attract more attention on the platform. To begin, head over to Pump.fun so you can view the platform and understand the environment where this activity happens. Pump.fun is built around launching and trading meme coins on Solana, and visibility matters a lot there. Tokens that appear active can sometimes gain more exposure, especially when they seem to have momentum. Here's the basic idea behind how these volume tools work. First, the tool creates or uses several secondary wallets. You may hear these called worker wallets or sniper wallets. These wallets are funded with SOL so they can participate in trading activity. Instead of relying on just one wallet, the volume gets spread across multiple wallets, which makes the activity appear more distributed and natural on the surface. After that, the tool runs buy and sell cycles. In simple terms, those funded wallets rapidly place buy and sell orders for the token. This repeated back and forth trading creates volume, which is the total amount of trading activity happening over a period of time. The important thing to understand is that the same capital is often being cycled repeatedly rather than entirely spent in one direction. That's why these tools are commonly used to simulate activity rather than reflect genuine demand. Another key part of this process is how trending systems work. Platforms like Pump.fun and related tracking sites such as Dex Screener often give more visibility to tokens showing strong transaction volume and momentum. Because of that, artificial trading activity can push a token higher in listings or make it more noticeable to people browsing for active coins. That increased exposure may then bring in real organic attention from traders who notice the movement. So at a high level, the process is straightforward. Go to Pump.fun. Understand that volume bots and bundlers are used to distribute SOL to multiple wallets, use those wallets to execute repeated buy and sell cycles, and rely on the resulting transaction activity to potentially improve visibility through volume-based ranking and momentum signals. If you're learning about this space, the most important takeaway is understanding the mechanism, wallet distribution, repeated trading cycles, and visibility through platform algorithms. Once you understand those three pieces, the overall concept becomes much easier to follow.